And this is the demo rig. We've got 6 XV315s wired at 0.7 on a Salt 12K, and it's getting done pretty good. They've been in here about a week and a half, 2 weeks. They're just now getting broken in. They're actually starting to really smash lows.
Nice. Who built the box? Looks good.
SDK enclosure. Him and I knocked it out about 3 o'clock in the morning. This wall's been in the truck for about a year, but when we swapped subs, my previous ones to this ones, we added another baff all the way around. And so it's got the SDX 6 channel on the front, so I've got 2 channels in the mid bass and the doors, 2 channels on the kicks, and 2 channels on 4 tweeters.
And dynamite at the top. Is there a wood roof above this
too? 3 inches of wood. There's like 4 gallons of foam in the top, and then I did PL Max around the lip as a seal.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we're about to trim it out also to get it finished in the interior.
What about your electrical?
It is a Brand X 320 on an 80 amp hour Yingluon. So we're taking in about to be swapping out to a big Prodigy battery bank with a triple alt setup.
All right, I'd love to hear it, man. Cool. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. And this is an excursion, so you got a lot of space to see people and demo.
It does pretty good for C. I can do like 55, 57 on music, and then I get no more enjoyment than putting 5 people in the truck and giving demos.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. All right. Yeah. Sweet. And you got so much room, because some people, when I sit, you actually have to like sit forward for the wall. This is sweet.
Yeah, I daily this. I make deliveries and I make audio
daily.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I like Slamology. We towed a car from Tennessee to Indianapolis and then gave demos all weekend.
Wow. I'm gonna go check out the amp racks.
Cool, awesome.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around we got of Scott's system. Really impressive to see him fit 6 15-inch subs behind the back seats. If you're enjoying the video so far, be sure to rate by hitting the thumbs up and comment. Let Scott know what you think about his system. This was at the Savannah Seaport Showdown in 2022. Getting to finishing up my 2022 videos by the mid-summer next year, so stay tuned for a lot of videos to come. This is a really unique style port too. I like that there's no headrest or seat blocking some of the airflow. So when you're sitting in that back seat, there's a lot of pressure going right on you. So it's really good for a demo monster to seat 5 people. Powerful 12,000 watt amplifier. Of course, he's getting all the juice to those subs. Pretty much gave me a full tilt demo. I could tell because there were some hair tricks, even with the windows down or up. There's a lot of pressure inside when you could do a hair trick with the windows up. And notice the way the battery bank is. I know he said he was doing some upgrades, and I'm sure he's done a little bit of changes since then, but really clean install and wiring, and it's pretty crazy to be able to have a little lithium bank like this to be able to supply power for a 12,000 watt amp. Wanted to see the website to kind of see the specs on the subwoofer. These are 2,000 watts RMS each. Pretty sure he said they were the version 3s he had installed. And this is a 4th order enclosure, so there are 615s with a sealed section underneath of these motors where the cone is with a 4th order enclosure. I didn't find out the specs on the box. Probably around a 2-to-1 ratio, really musical response. So 12,000 watts versus 6 15-inch subs. We're getting to a demo from Scott now. Shout out to you, did a good job with the demo. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for daily videos every day and enjoy.
Nice.
Making doors jiggle and girls giggle. It's DJ Rusty Ball. To always forget. turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah. Light up. Yeah. And turn up the volume.
I told you I gained like 6 dBs.
Yeah, and it's a fourth order playing that windy. That's pretty good, man.
It does like 20 to 27 really good. It drops off around 30 and it picks back up around 40.
Nice work, man. Thank you for the demo. Your name was Scott, right?
Yeah.
Scott from Southern Thunder Audio.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for the demo, man.